with their director, the faculty, how they interact with the students is totally different. And I feel that being a school principal of ACS 3, how the environment of educational institute should be, NIFT should be the role model. I feel that there is a lot to learn for me, that how open and how creative atmosphere should be of any educational institute. I think we should learn from NIFT, we should learn from NIFT faculty. I feel myself blessed, and I feel it's a privilege for ACS 3 students that these people are here to guide us to tell that what are the career perspectives in fashion industry, fashion technology. When 10th students have visited their labs, their various departments, in every corner, in every corridor, in every department, in every room of NIFT, there was some small object, some creativity was there. I was really impressed by seeing the paintings or artwork which was made of using e-waste, some tribal paintings, some gold painting I saw there, and many other things were there which are really, I felt, our 6 to 8 students who have interest in any kind of creativity, they will surely like it. So fashion technology is not only limited to the fashion, the word it comes in our mind, the image appears probably inspired with the movie Fashion, but fashion technology and NIFT is very broad, their area is very broad, and I feel that many of us are extremely very good in creativity. I think NIFT should be the source of inspiration for us. We welcome you all, madam, and I would not take much time. I invite you all to interact with our students, and I also request you this session should be interactive, it should be bilateral. So, let's begin. We all can clap loudly to welcome and show our respect for our students.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you, sir, for all the praises that you showered upon us. And I think he rightly set the pace for what I wanted to start the session with. You know, the general understanding of fashion is that you make beautiful clothes, you walk on the ramp, and you do makeup, and that's about it. But today, the purview of fashion has expanded much more, and we call it the fashion and lifestyle industry. So right from the car you drive, to the clothes you wear, of course, to the food you eat, to the furniture you sit on, to the travel that you do, everything comes under fashion. Because everything needs to look good, and you know, like even today when you walk into the school, you would want to walk into a beautiful school. When you want to shop, you want to shop in a beautiful store environment. When you want to go to your friend's house or your own room, don't we do up the houses? So all of this comes under fashion. It's about beautifying life. It's just not about making beautiful clothes, and that's the philosophy NIFT adheres to. So technically speaking, we have about 10 courses, but in NIFT Mumbai we have 8 courses. All the courses are clubbed under 3 broad buckets of design, technology and management. Now management is a PG course. There is another PG course which is design centric. But for you guys, what is more relevant is the undergrad courses. So we're going to stress upon that right now. So there are about 5 undergrad courses in NIFT as far as design is concerned in the NIFT Mumbai campus. We have leather design, which we don't offer in NIFT Mumbai. Other than that, you have fashion design, which is like our flagship program, and everybody understands that. Then ma'am is from knitwear design, so she will elaborate on knitwear. So knitwear basically is all your gym clothes, all your swimming costumes, all of that belongs to knitwear design. Then you have fashion communication, which is all the graphics, the movies that you make, the ad films, all of that, your website, UI, UX, all that comes under fashion communication. Then you have accessory design. So right from car accessories to furniture to fashion accessories, we do all of it, okay? And a lot of our faculty also come from IIT, the design vertical of IIT, because they also have a similar design kind of a program also. And then we have started a new course which is called Fashion Interiors, but that's not in the Mumbai campus. Then you have textile design, which is all about fabricating from the raw material. We go up to where this thread is being sourced from, whether it's cotton, whether it's silk, converting the threads into fabric. Today we're talking about technology. So smart textiles again is a big component. How you are using, sensors to track body temperatures. How you can incorporate all this in the fabric, the medical-based textiles, the e-based converted. Then we have something which is called technology. So that is again a bachelor's course. So tech courses are mostly production related, how these garments are made. There's a lot of focus on AI in tech-based courses. Actually, with the new curriculum, AI, you understand AI? Artificial intelligence. So all our courses have a large component of artificial intelligence today. As I was saying, fashion is everywhere. And then you have the PG courses. So rest, Bhavna ma'am will first talk about knitwear design and then Rashmi ma'am will talk.
Hello, hi, good morning everyone. So I am going to explain to you about UG Knitwear Design Program. So NIFT has industry-oriented curriculum and most of the subjects are process-based subject and hands-on. So all the design department like knitwear design, fashion design, textile design, they teach design-related subject like trend forecasting, design process, and in knitwear we have pattern making, construction. These are the core and major subjects. And knitwear categories like sportswear, athleisure and intimate apparel. These are the major categories, and knitwear industry is fast growing industry because it has inherent stretchability, comfortable and lightweight, and this knit it is being used in technical textile also. And second is the fashion design. Again, fashion, it focuses on designing ready to wear and couture garment. Have you heard this red carpet gown and all these things? So in every they teach again pattern making, construction, but they deal with the woven carpet. And textile design, as Ben said, home textile, it is one of their major subjects. So the weaves, they have the loom. So students make the woven samples like this. Then accessory, again it focuses designing of accessories like purse, bags, footwear, jewelries. These are very much in trends. And fashion communication, one of the most popular and demanding program. And in fashion communication, basically visual merchandising, product photography, these subjects are taught. So NIFT means it requires a lot of hard work, right? And process-based subject, and the subject like construction, and we also teach the software, the design software like Cloth 3D, Adobe, all these things. Then there are mandatory internship also. So the 8 weeks internship, then final year student the 16 weeks. So they do internship with the companies like the retail house, buying house, like this.
Good morning everyone. So we are here because this is our admission process which is going around. NIFT admission starts from the month of November every year, and the forms are available till December end or Jan first week. So that's the time. It may not be relevant to you all, but you can spread this message to your siblings, your older sister or brothers. They can check our NIFT website. The admission process is on from November, and it was till the first week of Jan. The admission forms are available. In the first week of February, we have our entrance exam. Like any other NEET or GAT exam, we have one entrance exam for all undergraduate programs. So in the month of Jan, we have, end of Feb, we have general ability test. General ability test means it's test of reasoning, analytical ability, mathematical ability, and then we have English grammar or the English comprehensions are there. So these are the first level of exam. And on the same day, the day you have your first GAT, it happens in the morning. On the same day itself, there is creative ability test for the design students, not for the technology students, which happens in the afternoon slot. So creative ability test is a topic would be given to you, a theme could be given to you, and we expect students to sketch out, to do a 2D rendering sketches. So we do not expect you all to be excellent artists, but we want you to understand your theme well, to how good is your observation skills when it is about nature. So yeah, how good is your observation skills, how good you are in expressing through visuals. So, whatever you have written or whatever you have sketched should make sense to the person who is evaluating it and should connect to the theme. So, you all are appearing for elementary exams and you are good in your sketching. That's the basic thing. Yes, later there is next level of test which happens in the month of May, which is called situation test. That's a 3D model you have to create. The creative ability test which will appear in Jan is 2D drawings, whereas in May you will have situation test. Raw materials will be given to you like toothpick or aspirin sticks, paper, double-sided tape, cotton, all those raw materials will be given based on the topic which is there in the question paper. The focus of the evaluation is how best you have utilized all the raw materials that has been given to you, and the concept note that you will be writing in the after you create the model. So you need to write the concept note in 100 words. How have you interpreted the theme in your perspective? How best you have utilized the available raw materials given to you to make that particular model. And the model should be sturdy enough that when the evaluator comes to evaluate your test, it could be after half an hour, it could be after 1 hour, that model should remain sturdy there. It should not collapse. Otherwise, you won't be able to get your marks. And the concept note should be clear in good English, highlighting the words that you have written that is making more emphasis, or taking it to the point of the theme. You need to highlight that words. And also, the desk after you do it has to be kept clean. You cannot leave your raw materials, unused materials on the table for the evaluator to clean it. So all this thing happens with time management. If you had time planned for your model, you can then do the cleaning work, you can then do the focus on writing the concept and all other things. So time management plays a very important role in all the exam. That is the first level, GAT and CAT, and the second level situation test. After this, your results would be declared, and based on your rank, you would be given the course and the campus. It is not that you have aimed or you have dreamt of doing a fashion design course at NIFT Mumbai, but your rank was not sufficient enough to give you NIFT Mumbai fashion design. So you may get knitwear design in Mumbai, which is equally a good course. They both run on the same model. Only difference is the fashion design students, they work on wovens, which is cotton, silk, polyester, whereas knitwear students, they work on knit, and it is an equally demanding course. Why I am saying this? Because NIFT is known for fashion design, and students, if they do not get in fashion design, they feel very disheartened. But knitwear is the name of the industry for the coming future. It's a future industry, and all industries are looking for knitwear designers.
And the skills that you learn are essentially the same.
And if you handle a stretched fabric, you can very easily handle a woven fabric. But vice versa, it's a little difficult. It's a little challenging. So the awareness of courses and what are they giving you is very important. So we request everyone to go through the NIFT website, go through the brochure, read the content written there and make an informed decision. Okay, if both the courses are not available as per your rank in Mumbai campus, then you have to choose from other campuses. We have 19 campuses pan-India level. You can check that on the website, and each campus has equally good number of faculty. Only that differs is in the industry exposure. But placement internship is common across all campuses. Even if you're a student of Kangra campus, you can come and do internship and placement in Mumbai. So that is all as per your own portfolio, as per your own capabilities that you have put into. So this is about
It's exactly like your IIT marketing, depending upon your rank, you get the course and you get the.
We keep the floor open for students to ask questions if you have understood. So this year's admission process is on. Please tell your siblings or older sisters and brothers to check the website if they are interested. As Ma'am said, this list is not about only design. Technology and management are also equal pillars of an IIT. Students, if you have any questions, please allow me to please ask your questions if you have any.
Dear, how many of you are the team member of our sir? Regular factory worker, sir, and a factory. Recently, the factory is shifted from ground floor to third floor. We shifted our room. But sir, keep on producing some artwork. The factory runs from here. So I want to know how many of you are regular members of art factory. Nice. Nice. So some hands are there. This side some shy. This is a waving hand. But the boys side is completely. One or two friends have raised their hand. Nice. No problem. I want you to ask कि इन्हें घुसते कैसे, जाना कैसे है, टीम एडमिशन लेना क्या है, क्या चीज़ हमें प्रिपेयर करना होगा एडमिशन लेने के लिए। पॉइंट 1 आफ्टर 10th क्लास में आपके कुछ है, आफ्टर 10th क्लास कुछ होता है आपके, हमारे लिए कुछ है, 9th 10th वालों के लिए कुछ है,
If there are a significant number of students, we can organize summer workshops, but उसके लिए there has to be a substantial number, like 10 or 15 students minimum. उससे कम we cannot organize. So yeah.
तो डील कर सकते हैं कि मैडम कह रही है कि 10 या 15 होंगे तभी हम समर वर्कशॉप करवाएंगे, तो हम तो बहुत सारे हैं, तो ऑप्शन, क्योंकि वो अच्छी चीज़ है, अच्छी चीज़ के लिए इतना सफर क्यों? तो आई फील दैट 10th स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी गए हैं, वहाँ पे उन्होंने देखा है, ज़रूर उनको अच्छा लगा होगा। 9th स्टूडेंट एंड आई फील इनफैक्ट 8th 7th जिस किसी को भी क्रिएटिविटी इंटरेस्ट ज़रूर दिया है, लाइफ की ज़्यादा चाहिए। एंड आफ्टर 12th क्लास हाउ टू गेट 4 years?
Yes sir. 4 years UG, 2 years PG.
4-year UG program, then how to pursue that course, what subjects I should prepare?
Yeah, okay. So, before see, English and Maths, these two are subjects which you cannot master overnight. So, my personal suggestion is you should work on your English. Read good. See, nowadays you guys don't read newspapers. That's fine. Even on the Instagram, even on mobile, if you're reading, please subscribe to those free news snippets that come. They give you all the news in short version. So, उतना तो attention span रहेगा. Like read कैसे हम 2 सेकंड वाला से scroll करते हैं. वैसे ही we can do the news at least. We should be aware about what's happening around you. Because a lot, as I you write a concept note, or if you're submitting an entrepreneurship proposal, if the English itself is wrong, then it leaves a bad impression. And thirdly, maths, again, it is not advanced level maths. We don't do calculus and trigonometry. Nobody's going to ask you those questions. But maths gives you a logical understanding. So your plus, minus, multiplication, division. When I say this, it might sound very simple, but where to add, where to subtract, where to multiply, and where to divide. That logic is very important. Because majority, there are these 4 functions only that we use at NIFT. The design people use a little bit of geometry as well. But majority of other subjects are just these 4 functions. But the application of these 4 functions is the logic that you need to develop. So basically, if you work on these 3-4 things, that's good enough. Some people are naturally talented as far as creativity is concerned. So have a knack for observation, look around you, try practicing. If you like sketching, try practicing. These are things which anyways we should do because it gives us a peaceful mind at the end of all this, the hard subjects that you study. I'm sure the teachers are quite rigorous, बड़े सारे assignments होते होंगे, बड़े सारे classes होते हैं. So when you do something of your own, that sort of helps you unwind also and come back with more focus into the subjects that you're going to do next day. So keep practicing what you're already doing. But as ma'am said, we really don't want artists. That's our job, to make you designers. We just look at basic skill sets and we are here to polish you. So these 3-4 things are very, very important.
I request you all, if any other question is there in your mind, please ask. So, you can raise it.
And there are few sample papers also on the website. So if you want, you can have a look at that.
And if you're really interested in
If you have any questions, please ask.
Yes. So I did. Yes. From 8th standard, we suggest, because as I said, English, maths, your general knowledge are not things you just pick up in 2 months. So you have to start practicing now. Yes, yes.
That special workshop we just talked about, what will be the duration of that?
Ma'am, we can customize. We have whatever courses we have, but because we will be doing a campus-specific, PRC-specific workshop, we will give our inputs. You can tell us what else you want us to teach, and we can customize the program. So that
Why? Because 10th class they will be finishing their exam at the first week of March.
yeah,
They will have plenty of time.
yeah. But
What
our
will be your
May and June actually.
June first.
Yeah, because during that time our exams happen, our final duties, graduation shows,
Why?
everything.
Because we can actually give them this will be the period.
Yeah, so we can take them in June. Yes. First, second, whenever.
I think we can work that out. Maybe if it is how to want to
Because by 15th June then their next session starts.
Yeah, so first week we can do.
First week.
Yeah.
Those 10th students who are registered directly, some of them must attend the workshops also. The activities also they must participate. Can any of you share your feedback or experience? Yes.
Yes, we would not want to get the feedback.
Yes. Anyone? I think all the 10th students visited.
Especially boys, what was the feedback? We organized 5 workshops.
A lot if you're in the fashion industry. Fashion is all about जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, right?
I think
So
it's
let's start talking. Guys, why are you so shy? Let's just talk.
Speak about your experience.
First tell
एग्जामिनेशन है कोई एंट्रेंस एग्जाम
हाँ, मैंने कहा ना 12th में जब आप इसके लिए अप्लाई करोगे तो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम होगा. 3 पार्ट्स में होंगे. एक रिटन होगा, उसके बाद आपका क्रिएटिव एबिलिटी होगा जिसमें स्केचिंग और ड्राइंग चेक होगी. फिर वो राउंड अगर आप क्लियर करते हो तो नेक्स्ट राउंड में सिचुएशन टेस्ट होगा जिसमें 3D मॉडल बनाना होता है. इन तीनों टेस्ट के मार्क्स ऐड करके फाइनल मार्क्स आते हैं. नवंबर में चालू हो जाता है
मैडम सीट्स कितनी होती है? आई थिंक आपने बोला 19 कैंपसेस
We
आते हैं.
have 19 campuses, approximately 300 seats per campus. 300 multiplied by
19.
approximately.
Around 5,000 seats are there in all our universities. Okay. And
In one class there are around 40 to 45.
in one class there are 40 to 45.
One class in one campus.
Okay.
So that means that includes all the quota work.
Okay. Okay. Students, any other question? You can ask your doubts. Yes.
Hello. What's your name?
आप
एंट्रेंस एग्जाम इजी रहेगा या आईआईटी जी जैसे टफ हो जाएगा?
मैंने बोला ना, सिर्फ मैथ्स के 4 ही फंक्शन बच्चे से आने चाहिए, प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन, थोड़ा सा ज्योमेट्री पूछा जाएगा, बस इतना ही. बाकी लॉजिक है, क्वांटिटेटिव रीजनिंग है. आईआईटी लेवल का मैथ्स नहीं आता.
बेसिकली 10th तक का बेसिक
10th, not even 12th. क्योंकि कैलकुलस कम
Anybody else would like to ask any questions, share your experience of going to NIFT?
He wants to say something.
What will be included in the summer workshop?
So we will curate the program as per your requirement. As ma'am said, it will be specially for DRC students. We will discuss with the faculty and principal what will be the need. Accordingly, we will curate the curriculum for the workshop.
So we will first give them a plan कि हम ये कराना चाहते हैं, फिर मैम बताएंगे कि ये सही है या नहीं, फिर उस बेसिस पे हम बनाएंगे. ठीक है? इसलिए आप आइसक्रीम खाने जाते हो पार्लर में, तो कैसे आप बोलते हो वनीला के साथ मैंगो मिक्स करो, उसके ऊपर आप चॉकलेट चिप्स डालो, so we can make it like that, customize आइसक्रीम.
इनके दिलों में कहीं और जाने की आशाएं हैं. डायरेक्शन पहले से ही इन्होंने तय कर ली है और उनको लग रहा है कि ये तो कुछ अलग बातें हो रही है यहाँ पे. कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं? ऑलरेडी आई थिंक मैनी ऑफ यू हैव डिसाइडेड कि आपको किस रास्ते पे जाना है. ऐसा
You chosen as your first priority in life. You should always have priority A, B, and C. Whatever you chosen already is your A. If that happens, great. If that doesn't happen, you can explore other opportunities as well. That's the whole point we're trying to make here. So.
But I feel that having 5,000 seats all over the country is not more tough than getting into IITs. IITs now, I think around 25,000 seats are there among all IITs, and various branches are there. So I think getting into NIFT in the as far as seats are concerned makes it more tough, and especially when you conduct creativity skill test also and personal interview also.
Yes, for the PG.
For PG.
Management, there is an interview.
Not for UG, personal interview is not for you.
Personal interview is not there for UG course. For UG course, only written test and
And education test.
creative aptitude test.
Depends on, we have two courses, design and technology.
Okay.
Technology, therefore, creativity and innovation only is written exam.
Okay.
For
So
design course, there are
these students are 9th and 10th students. For them at this age, they also can. Is there something which they can do? They can prepare to crack the test.
Sir, I want to add here that we are engineers of design. We create design engineers and design researchers in the institute. So they have the notion that IIT and getting into technical engineering, we are also engineers, and in master's program we have students who have already done engineering, pharmacy, and they come back to live to do the master's program. Yeah.
It will be appropriate if I ask that what will be salary packages after doing the course, UG course or PG course? Are there jobs after UG course?
Yes, we give campus placements. 100%
Bigger
placement.
campuses like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, there we have 100% on campus rate itself. The other with jobs.
Any more questions?
Alright then, we call it a day. Thank you so much. We'll take a group photo.
Thank you so much, ma'am. At school, I would like to extend a heartfelt thank you for giving such an informative session, for guiding our students and giving us a real view of how the academics will look like for to work in the fashion industry. As you said, it's beyond fashion now, it's beyond clothing. It's more into the lifestyle and everything that we see around us. I'm sure I could see the students who are really intrigued and curious about it. They were noting it down, they have noted down many things. So I hope we see many of our students going into NIMT. Thank you so much for being here with us and contributing so meaningfully to our students' journey.